Feel like you're under constant pressure to control costs? Ask nearly every machine shop owner or manager and you'll get a knowing nod. How do you control costs that truly make a difference? The key is control. One way to control labor costs is to use a machine-tending robot with your CNC machine. Now your costs are finite. Need to run an extra shift at night with the robot? Go ahead. Additional labor costs? None. Program the job before you leave, press the green button, and go home. The job will run until it is complete. We've had customers run jobs for 13 hours straight. The robot never said a word. From the first job, the robot helped machine shops control costs and be more profitable. To learn how a machine-tending robot can help cut your costs, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.